By watching this video, I know you're worried about your kids. You're also thinking about a divorce or custody issue. You're worried about not being able to see your kids and losing your connection with them. You're also doing your best to try to hold it together for the kids. But some days, when you open your eyes in the morning, you just close them again because you're not sure how you're going to face the day. When you realize that you're dealing with an abusive spouse or significant other, you're even more worried about your kids. You're worried that today is going to be the day where things go too far and get out of control. It's perfectly natural to want to run away or hide your kids from your spouse. But if you take off with the kids and you don't protect yourself, it can actually backfire and may even be used against you. If you don't use the proper legal tools to protect yourself, and you can even end up losing your kids. The information in this video is designed to help you understand your options and how to protect both your kids and yourself. Here's an example where a client accidentally made a situation worse by taking and hiding his kids. We had a client, let's call him Joe. Joe was not getting along with his wife for quite a while, but he hadn't filed for divorce yet. Joe's wife was verbally abusive, especially when she was drinking. The final straw that broke the camel's back was when she came home drunk, yelled at Joe in front of the kids, and actually slapped him across the face. Although Joe's wife tried to push all of his buttons, he backed away and left the room. At this point, Joe was really afraid of his wife. He was afraid she was going to hurt one of the kids, and to make matters even worse, even when she wasn't drunk, Joe's wife was very controlling and abusive. Joe did not know what to do to protect his kids, so he decided to take his kids to his parents' house without telling his wife where he went. He figured his wife would eventually figure it out because his parents lived sort of nearby. When Joe took his kids to his parents' house without telling his wife where he was going, he made a tremendous legal mistake. When his wife realized that he left with the kids, she went to court and got what's called an order of protection. To get an order of protection, Joe's wife alleged that he took the kids without telling her where he went and was basically trying to kidnap them. The judge gave Joe's wife temporary custody of the kids and the house. Joe was just trying to protect his kids, but he ended up having to fight to get his kids back and live in the house that he actually owned before they even got married. By not using the legal tools available, Joe accidentally made his situation worse. If Joe had gotten legal advice before he left, he would have learned that he has other options. One option was to go to court and ask for an order of protection against his wife. This order could have given him exclusive possession of both the house and the kids. It could also restrain his wife from coming around Joe or the kids. Another option was to file for divorce and ask for a temporary order for exclusive possession of the house and the kids. He could also ask the court to allow his wife to have limited supervised visitation with the kids so they could see their mom. Look, I know that these types of situations can be really scary and overwhelming. The important thing to remember is that you're not in this alone. There is help available. You just have to reach out and use it. Now, if it's an emergency, the best first step is to talk with a family law attorney that can clearly outline all of your options for your specific situation so you can find the fastest way to keep your kids safe and not jeopardize your future with them. If you do have an emergency and you have to move fast, do what you need to do, and then get legal advice as fast as you can. Even if you get legal advice after the fact, a good local family law attorney can help you navigate the situation and use the legal tools still available to you. When you work with our team at Diamond Divorce Law, you not only have a top-notch attorney, but you also have a great team to back you up and help you navigate all of these issues. When you work with us and you call our office, you can talk to someone who knows your name and knows what's going on with your case. When you're ready to work with our team at Diamond Divorce Law, click on the scheduling link below to chat with our next available team member. I promise, eventually, things will get better.